Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel, and in this video we are going to solve x cube plus x square is equals to 150, and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with the today's video solution. So first I'll write this term x cube plus x square. I'll take plus 150 to other side, so minus 150 is equals to 0. Now I can break this 150. I can write it as x cubed plus x square minus 125 minus 25 is equals to 0. Now x cubed plus x square, 125 I can write it as 5 cubed and 25 as 5 square is equals to 0. Now I'm writing cube terms together and square terms together. So 0. Now here I'm going to use two identities. First is a cube minus b cube, that is a minus b, a square plus b square plus ab, and the second one is a square minus b square, that is a plus b, a minus b. So first I'm going to use this identity, so I can write it as x minus 5 x square plus 5 square is 25 plus 5m plus the second identity x plus 5 or x minus 5 is equals to 0. Now I can take x minus 5 as common. So what is left? X square plus 25 plus 5m plus x plus 5 is equals to 0. So x minus 5 will solve this. X square 5m 5x plus x is 6x plus 30 is equals to 0. Now we have two cases. Case 1, when x minus 5 is equals to 0, so x is equals to 5. Case 2, when x square plus 6x plus 30 is equals to 0. It's took like quadratic equation, so we'll find the roots with the help of the discriminant formula. X is equals to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac over 2a. So here a is coefficient of x square 1 and b is coefficient of x, that is 6, and c is constant, that is 30. So I'm going to put the value minus 6 plus minus under root 6 square minus 4 times 1 times 30 divided by 2 times 1. So minus 6 plus minus under root 6 square is 36 minus 120 divided by 2 is equals to minus 6 plus minus 36 minus 120 is minus 84 divided by 2. So minus 6 plus minus 84, we can write it as, we take 2 outside and minus 21 inside divided by 2. If I'll take 2 common, so minus 3 plus minus under root minus 21 divided by 2. We eliminate this, so two values we have, either minus 3 plus under root minus 21 by 21, or the second one is minus 3 minus under root minus 21. I hope it's clear. We have three values because the x power has 3. First is x is equals to 5. Second is minus 3 plus under root minus 21. And third is minus 3 minus under root 21. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.